Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will make a command line Python project. Checking the weather seems fairly trivial. You have to open your web browser, click the address bar, and then type the URL to a weather website. Let's say we have to go to accuweather.com and then we have to search the location. Let's search for Jalandhar. Then it will show you that the weather is 38 degree and it is hazy sunshine and so on. What if you can do this using a single click using your command prompt? Let's go to our command prompt, write quick weather and then location. And then it will show you the current weather in Ludhiana. That is clear sky and the temperature is 40.4 degrees Celsius. Let's see how we can make this using Python. So let's go to my PyCharm IDE. Now in order to write the code, we have to first install a library named request. So you have to go to your terminal and write pip install request. Make sure Python is added to your environment variables when you install it. As you can see, request is already installed in my PC. So let's go back to my PyCharm and let's code. First of all, let's import some libraries. Let's import JSON sys request. Sys is basically used here to load what the user is typing inside the command line, and request is used to fetch the weather API. So let's see how we can create an API for us. For that, we have to go to openweathermap.com and press enter, and then click on sign in. I have already created my account here. In order you to create a new account, you have to click here create an account. I am not creating a new account because that's a simple. You can also do that. I am going to sign into my account and show you how we can create an API. So I have logged in successfully. Now let's go to the API section. In here you can see the current weather data. Click subscribe and then get API key. Then we have to go to API keys and then I have to generate a new one. Let's name it. You can name it anything. Here I have created a new API named YouTube video. Now we will use this API later inside our Python code, which will fetch the weather from this open weather map website and then show it to us. So let's go to my PyCharm screen again. So let's write some code to compute the location from the command line arguments. Let's give it a comment. And now I'm going to write a if condition. If the length of the system arguments is less than 2, then it will show us how to use this quick weather program. So this is how we use this sys module to check the length of the arguments which a user is writing. If the command line arguments is less than 2, it will basically print the usage and then it will just exit the program. And then let's create a variable name location, and here we will join what the user will write after the quickweather.py. So the code for that is, so now let's download the JSON data from openweathermap.org API which we have created earlier. To use that API, we have to give an URL, and that URL is http api.openweathermap.org/data/2.5/weather q is equals to, and here we have to give that location. So I'm writing as %s and then and symbol app id is equals to, and here we have to write that API which we have created earlier, this, and then percentage location. So this is how we are going to fetch the data from this API. Now let's use that request module which we have imported earlier to fetch this URL request.get. and here I have to pass that URL. Let's write this line. It will check for the error status. Now let's load our data into the JSON format. So that's why we have imported JSON earlier. Let's create a variable here, weather data, and JSON.loads function. This function is used to load the data. Let's write here response.text. So let's see how our basically weather data looks like. For that we have to go to terminal. We have to write here Python quick weather and then let's say Ludhiana. As you can see, it is giving me the format in like a Python dictionary because we have used this JSON.loads method here. It is converting our JSON method into a Python dictionary. So here you can see that we have to fetch this data that is inside our weather, and then it is clear, and then it is saying clear sky. Let's first fetch this data. For that we have to write data is equals to weather data, and inside this weather. Now let's print current weather in this location, and then we will print the data 0 and then main, because we have to fetch this part that is clear, and then we have to fetch the description that is clear sky. So let's now run this code again and check how it is printing our data. As you can see, now it is showing us in a better format, that is current weather in Ludhiana is clear and clear sky. Now let's find out the temperature for that also. For that, let's create a new variable named temp. Now let's print the temperature. Temperature is, now you can see the temp is inside this main and then this temp key. Let's write here temp, and inside that again temp. As you can see, our temperature is in Kelvin, so we have to convert it to degree Celsius. So for that we have to subtract this temperature from minus 273.15. Let's write here degree Celsius. Great. Now let's write here empty print. Now let's try to run this code. Let me clear my terminal, and let's write here Python quickweather.py and then give it a location. It is Ludhiana. As you can see, it is showing us in a better way that the current temperature weather in Ludhiana is clear sky, and then the temperature is 41 degrees Celsius. Now, in order to run this code, I have to go to this specific location and then type the Python and quickweather.py and then Ludhiana. But if we want to run this code inside any directory of our PC, so for that we have to create a batch file of this Python code. For this, you have to write here this comment, that is hashtag, then exclamation mark, then Python 3. Now go back to the folder in which we have created our Python file, that is quickweather.py, and let's create a new text file here and named it same, that is quickweather. We have to change the extension of txt to bat, which is a batch file, and now we have to right click on it and then edit. Then we have to write here @py.exe, and then we have to copy the whole location in which our quickweather.py file is located, and then we have to paste it here, then slash quickweather.py and then percentage symbol and then a star. Then we have to save this file, close it, and now press the Windows key and enter environment variable. Then open this and click on environment variables, and then in system variables find the variable name, that is path, and then click on edit, then new, then copy the same path and paste it here. Then click OK, OK and OK. So now when you open your terminal and write here quick weather and then location, let's say Chandigarh, and press enter. And then you can see it is showing me the current weather in Chandigarh. The temperature is 40.3 degrees Celsius and the sky is clear. Let's check the temperature in New York City. As you can see here in New York, the temperature is broken clouds and the temperature is 22.79 degrees Celsius. So now we can use this quick weather inside any directory of our PC. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this project. For more such videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you, and I will catch you in the next one.